On this video, I'm going to show you how to upload widescreen video on TikTok for full screen mode. So once you open your TikTok app, tap on the plus sign on the middle menu and start creating a video. So just select story. So as you can see, I am on a portrait mode. I'm going to landscape my camera. This is for wider screen. So just go ahead and record that one. Once you're done recording, just tap on the adjust clip on the upper right. Tap the edit options on the bottom menu and then tap on rotate options on the bottom menu. Just go ahead and rotate the video. So when you're happy with it, just tap on save. So that's it. That's how to upload widescreen video on TikTok for full screen mode. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.